Okay, I came across this. It hit my window today. I rescued a bird today. I don't know if it's gonna stay alive or not. I hope it does. Where's the light switch? Okay, where's the other light switch? Okay. I named the bird Willow. I put it in this shoebox. It ran into my window, and I don't think it can fly. Hi, Willow. Hello. You're a cute bird, aren't you? I don't know why my grandma made me leave it in a shoebox in the garage. But I really don't know what to do with it, because we have a cat, and I don't want the cat to eat it. I really don't. Willow? She'll perch on my hand if I have a glove. Let me get a glove for a second. Let my camera stay right there. I'm getting some gloves on right now. Because I want to show you the bird perches on my hand. Okay, I'm getting these gloves on. Got these gloves on now. Still filming? Yeah, okay, it's still filming. Now I need something to lean on. Okay. Like you can see me. Okay, I think you can see me. I'm not that tall. Okay. Let me get Willow out of her box. His, I don't know what he is. Willow. She's pecking against the box. Let me sit over here and get her out for a second. Hello. Hello, Willow. Hello. Hello, Willow. How are you today? She's currently pecking against the box. Let me get this. Yeah. Okay. Hi, you can't really see her. She's kind of a blackish bird. I don't know what kind of bird she is. I'm gonna go put the camera back over here. I am trying to get her out of the box right now, so. Hi, Willow. I wanted to show you the YouTube. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The bird's flying now. Where'd it go? Oh man. I was afraid this would happen. Willow. Birdie. Hello, bird. Bird. Oh man, this is bad. I can't get to where she is. Do you see her? I can see her. Hello, bird. Oh, man, I was hoping this wouldn't happen.